Hey everyone, and welcome back. Need to quickly move tasks between projects or push deadlines to tomorrow? Let me show you the fastest ways to reschedule in Todoist. To move a task to a different project, open the task, click the project name at the top, and select a new project from the dropdown. Or just drag and drop the task into a different project in your left sidebar. To reschedule a single task, open the task and click the due date. Pick a new date from the calendar, or type something like tomorrow or next Friday. Todoist's natural language understands it instantly. To reschedule multiple tasks at once, select multiple tasks by holding Ctrl or CMD on Mac and clicking each task. Then click the date icon at the top and choose your new date. All selected tasks update at once. To move a task to today, open the task and type today in the due date field. That's it. Todoist moves it instantly. To push a task to tomorrow, type tomorrow in the due date field. This is perfect for tasks you didn't get to today. To remove a due date completely, click the due date and select no date. The task stays in your project but won't show up in today or upcoming views. Pro tip for daily planning: at the end of each day, open your today view. Any tasks you didn't complete, select them all and reschedule to tomorrow in one click. Keyboard shortcut levers: press D on any selected task to open the date picker. Type your new date and press enter. Super fast, and that's it. With drag and drop, bulk selection, and natural language dates, you can reschedule tasks in seconds. If you use these shortcuts, let me know which one saves you the most time in the comments. See you in the next one.